Hey there, Hans here again, and I'm excited to give you another quick tour of YAHSHUA HRIS. Last time we explored how to manage job postings and applications in YAHSHUA HRIS, so for today, I'll walk you through another one of YAHSHUA HRIS superpowers, screening applicants. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to screen applicants in YAHSHUA HRIS. From the dashboard, simply click Screen Applicants. Here, you'll see all the jobs you've posted and the number of applicants who have applied to each. Select the job for which you want to screen your applicants, and by default, you will see the 5 stages: recommended applicants, initial interview, manager interview, panel interview, and final interview. The awesome thing is that you can actually fully customize the stages. You can customize them and tailor them based on your hiring process. You can rename a stage by clicking the pencil icon. For example, we'll change recommended applicants to list of applicants. And also, you can do the same thing for the other stages. If you want to remove a default stage, click the drop-down arrow for that stage and select Remove Stage. To add an additional stage, click the Add Stage button. You can also drag each stage to rearrange them. For instance, if you want a panel interview before the manager interview, simply drag the panel interview to the desired position. In this example, we'll just only use 3 stages: list of applicants, initial interview, and final interview. Once it's done, we'll set up our stage requirements. Stage requirements are checklists that help determine whether the applicant meets the criteria for each stage. To set up stage requirements, click the drop-down arrow and select Set up Stage Requirements. Here, we're going to enter the criteria for the stage. And once we're done with that, we're going to click Save. Repeat this process for the other stages. And now, we can start screening the applicants. Under each stage, you'll see all the applicants who applied for the position. To view their details, click the 3 vertical dots beside their name and select View Information. You'll see their name, email, contact number, city address, and CV or resume. Click on the CV or resume to view the applicant's job experience. If that's unavailable, you can check the Experience tab or their job history. Once you have reviewed the information, go to the checklist or stage requirements you've set. Click the 3 vertical dots again, then select Checklist. Check the applicable boxes for the requirements the applicant has met. Then, choose the applicant status, whether ongoing, withdrawn, rejected, or passed. Please take note that the pass option will only be available if the applicant has met all the requirements from the checklist. Once done, click Update. And when an applicant passes a stage, they will be moved to the next one. For this example, the initial interview. To schedule an interview, click the 3 vertical dots and select Schedule Interview. Choose the date, start time, and duration. For now, the available format is either video or online interviews. You can also add a message with details like agenda, dress code, or any important information. You may also include hiring team members by adding in their email. Once you've set everything, hit send. And after you're done conducting the interview, you can return to the checklist to update whether the applicant has met the stage requirements or not. If they pass, they will be able to advance to the next stage. To send an email to the applicant, click again the 3 vertical dots and select Send Email. Choose an email template, and if you don't have one yet, you can create one under Settings. You can also add recipients and personalize the message before sending. Once the applicant passes the initial interview, schedule them for the final interview. After the final interview, go to the checklist to confirm whether they met the requirements. If the applicant passes the final stage and is hired, their name will be highlighted in yellow with a hired note. When an applicant is hired, their name will appear in the Orient module. And that's it! We have successfully screened applicants. And please take note that all hired candidates will appear in the Orient module, which we'll cover in our next tour. Thank you so much, and God bless you always.